Lesson 2. Working with Windows 10. Microsoft Windows, also referred to as Windows, is a graphical operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It manages the resources of a computer. It provides a way to store files, run software, and connect to Internet. Windows 1 was the first version of Windows which was released in 1985. Let's log in to know the working of Windows 10. Features of Windows 10. The various new features found in Windows 10 are given below. It is more interactive and secure version of Windows. It is easy to understand and user-friendly. It has brought an advanced search tool named Cortana to desktop computers. Microsoft Edge is the default browser used in Windows 10. It comes with a new and attractive look, with the blue highlighting features. You can see new pictures, graphics, styles, themes, and it allows you to work in a new environment. Windows Store available in Windows 10 provides apps for games, movies, videos, music, maps, mail, etc. Windows Hello allows accessing of computer through face, fingerprints, or iris. It provides extra security to your system. Using desktop. When you switch on the computer system, the first screen that opens is called a desktop. Here, you can find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icon, disk drive icons, etc. Let us discuss some of its components. Icons. Icons are pictorial representation of files, folders, and apps. When you double-click on the icon to open it, the corresponding application opens. The icons which are always present on the desktop are this PC, network, recycle bin. This PC. It gives us access to available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. Double-clicking on any drive icon will display the files and folders contained in that drive. These drives include C, D, and E, network. It allows us to access files or devices which are shared on different computers in a network environment. Recycle bin. Recycle bin holds the deleted files folders. These deleted files folders can either be restored to the original location or permanently deleted from the system. Taskbar. Taskbar is the long horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of the desktop. It is mainly divided into three sections. Start button. Start button is present at the bottom left corner of the desktop. It looks like a small window. When you click on this button, you get two panels side by side. The left, first panel, column displays the pinned, recently added and most used apps. The right column, second panel, displays a section of live files that you can customize, resize and reorganize. Middle section. The applications and programs that are currently opened appear in the form of tabs in this section. When you click on them, they will get opened. There is also a search box, type here to search, where you can search for any application, folder or icon by typing its name. Notification area. The right side of the taskbar is the notification area which displays small icons like time, date, volume, network connection, OneDrive, battery, etc. You can also see the status and notifications about the programs that are running on the computer. Pinning to start. It is possible to pin the apps to the right pane. Follow the given steps to do so. Step 1. Go to Start. Step 2. Right-click on the app that you want to add. Step 3. From the list, click on Pin to start. You will observe that the app is displayed as tile to the right pane. Unpin from start. You can unpin the app from start. For this, take the following steps. Step 1. Go to Start All Apps. Step 2. Right-click on the app which you want to unpin. Step 3. Select Unpin from Start. Step 4. You will see that the app is unpinned from the right panel. Note, you can also right-click on the tile on the right panel and select Unpin from Start option. Live tiles. On the right pane of the Start menu, you see a group of tiles. These are called live tiles. These titles display the most popular universal apps in the form of resizable live tiles. They are situated in the right pane of the Start menu. These tiles display latest updates and information such as news, weather report, incoming mails, etc. without opening the app. You can rearrange, resize, and remove these tiles according to your requirement. Moving tiles. To move tiles, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer to the tile that you want to move. Step 2. Click the left mouse button and hold it. Step 3. Now, drag the mouse and the tile will also move. Step 4. Put the tile to the desired location and drop it by releasing the mouse. Resizing tiles. You can also resize the tiles according to your choice, small or medium. To resize a tile, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the tile and select the resize option. Step 2. Select the size of your choice. Turning off live tiles. You can disable a live tile so that you cannot get any live updates from it. To do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to Start button. Step 2. Right-click on the tile. Step 3. Hover your mouse pointer on More. Step 4. From the list, select the Turn Live Tile Off option. Apps in Windows 10. Apps are parts of Windows 10 Store. These work on all the devices, from phones and tablets to laptop and desktop system. These may include weather, photos, mail, Cortana, maps, calendar, etc. Some of the popular apps are Calendar. It displays the current day and date. You click on its tile to view the previous month or next month day and date. You can also perform some calendar settings by clicking on the Settings option. Mail. Using this app, you can manage all your mail accounts in one place. It notifies you about incoming mails and allows you to compose a news mail. It also allows you to read a mail and respond back to the sender. To use this app, you need to sign in with your account. Photos. When you click on this app, you can store or view all the photos and videos on your system at one place. Weather. Clicking on this app displays the weather details like temperature, rain forecast, weather conditions, etc. Customize the desktop. Windows provides options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Follow the given step to change the color scheme of the computer screen. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area on the desktop screen. From a pop-up menu, select the Personalization option. The personalization window appears. Step 2. Click on the Colors option from the left pane. Select the color from Windows Colors. Step 3. You can preview it in the Preview section. Step 4. If you click on the checkbox of Automatically pick an accent color from my background, it will automatically select a color that matches to the desktop wallpaper. Step 5. If you want the selected color to appear on the title bar, Start, Taskbar, An action center, click the corresponding check boxes to make it enable. The color scheme will be applied to your desktop, displaying multiple windows side by side. In Windows 10, we can display multiple application windows side by side. Follow the steps to do so. Step 1. Open Notepad. Step 2. Open Scratch 3. Step 3. Now right-click on the blank area on taskbar. Step 4. Select Show Windows Side by Side option. You will see that both the windows are displayed side by side on the desktop. Cascading windows. Cascading windows is the arrangement of all currently open windows in such a way that they overlap on each other. It displays the title bar of all the opened windows. You can enable the window by clicking on its title bar. To open multiple applications at a time, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar. Step 2. Select Cascade Windows option. You will see that all the windows are in cascading form. To minimize all the opened applications, click on the taskbar and select Show the Desktop option. Show the desktop. This option allows you to minimize all the opened applications and windows and displays the desktop screen. To do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. Step 2. A pop-up list opens up. Step 3. Select Show the Desktop option. A desktop screen will be displayed, and all the open windows will get minimized. Exploring Pictures. In Pictures folder, we can store digital photos, images, and graphic files. To do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button and then click on the arrow next to the File Explorer option. Step 2. Select the Pictures option from the right pane. The Pictures folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnails along with the Camera Roll and Saved Pictures folder. Step 3. Here, you can also view the picture icons in various sizes. Select the View tab and click on the desired option. From the Layout group to define the thumbnail size of the picture. Step 4. Select any picture and double-click on it. The picture gets opened in the Photos app. You will find various buttons at the top right corner of the window that helps in editing and managing the pictures.